Sometimes come right up to it. Let's go up there.
Come on.
It's got a musty smell.
He has to do it. Ooh, he's looking right at me.
He's looking at us. That means he's could do it, right?
Somebody do something to piss him off. They'll do it again.
No, because then I'll die.
You think that jump in the wall? Jump in the wall.
Run.
Hi. Hello. What's your name?
Max.
I'm Max. Nice to meet you.
He just gave you a wink.
What's your name? Nice to meet you.
Max. He has to do it. Oh.
Did I tell you that one guy?
Why does it smell?
What do you mean, why does it smell? It's not gonna Febreze the whole zoo.
They should. It would make it more appealing.
Like a juice.
Oh. Whoa!
What?
I just got that on video.
What?